In the heart of an ancient forest, hidden away from mortal eyes, lay Fairyland, a realm of shimmering light and boundless wonder. Here, the trees whispered secrets among their boughs, and rivers sang lullabies as they meandered through emerald glades. At the center of it all stood the Enchanted Echo, a mystical crystal that radiated an iridescent glow, safeguarding the balance of the land. Amidst this enchantment lived Elara, a curious young fairy with wings the color of dawn's first light. Her laughter was a melody that could stir the stillest of ponds, and her spirit a restless breeze. Though her days were filled with joy, Elara longed for adventure beyond the familiar boundaries of her home. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of lavender and rose, Elara found herself near the echo. Its hum resonated through the air, speaking a language only a few could hear. To her surprise, she noticed a crack in the crystal, its glow flickering uncertainly. The sight filled her with an unwavering resolve. She would mend the echo and restore its brilliance. Guided by the whispers of the wind, Elara set off on her quest, traveling through moonlit groves and over starlit streams. Her journey led her to mystical beings, the wise owl of dusk, who offered her insight, and the playful river sprites, who gifted her a vial of pure starlight. At last, she reached the Cave of Whispers, said to hold the essence that could heal the echo. The cave was filled with an intricate symphony of murmurs, each carrying stories of the past. With a heart full of courage, Elara danced, her movements weaving the echoes into a harmonious lullaby that filled the cavern with light. Returning to the crystal, Elara poured the starlight essence onto the crack. The echo beamed brightly once more, its renewed glow encircling Fairyland with warmth and peace.